This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off graphics/hardware acceleration in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. Hardware acceleration has changed its name to graphics acceleration. It's still the same function, they just changed the name from hardware to graphics. But to enable it or disable it, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go down to where it says System and click on System. Then on the center pane, for me it is the third thing down, use graphics acceleration when available. As you can see, by default it's probably toggled on, but you could toggle it off to disable it. Then you would have to relaunch, or you could leave it toggled on. That is enabled. That is how to enable or disable the graphics acceleration in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.